A BCM is an ultra deflationary monetary token. Burning 15% of every transaction will result in only the strongest holders owning big shares. This is an experiment dividing the crypto community in two major camps. The traders and flippers gaining the value due to the decreasing supply on constant demand, and the holders profiting from the deflation, increasing their market share of the BCM by simply holding. And in this video, I will elaborate all the things regarding the BCM token and also about pre-sale.
Feel uninvited.
Here you can see the main thing about the BCM, the Twitter page. You must have to follow them because if you want to buy the token, the pre-sale will be live on Friday and the tokens will be given in maximum 24 hours. And the team is going to raise up to 50 Ethereum in the pre-sale. So definitely the price will increase because the major supply and also you can say the total supply of the token BCM is only and only 14,000 token. Now I will show you the main website of this token. But basically, what's the idea behind the BCM? It is all about the rebase because the rebase coins continuously rebalance the supply and keep the market share constant, and BCM will reward the holders by increasing their share of the token. And the major vision of the BCM team to stop the racism and discrimination within the crypto community. No more white papers, no more whitelisting. They are here to stop the white supremacy. So that is such a great thing about the BCM token. Very soon you will be able to get or you will be able to trade the token on Uniswap exchange. And as per my own prediction about this token will give you at least 15x in near future if you are going to buy the token directly from the pre-sale. So for buying the token directly from the pre-sale, simply come on the main website, and also you can follow them on all the social media, especially the Twitter, and secondly on the Telegram, and you can buy the token directly in your personal wallet. And as I told you that in the starting, the price of 1 BCM is only and only 0.005 Ethereum. So very soon the price will be 0.5 Ethereum. So it's your time to grab the opportunity because time is running at this time, and the BCM will be a new killer for other farming tokens. So very soon the team is going to entertain, and also the devs are working on the main development of the entire token BCM. So it's your time to hold this token right now. Thanks a lot.